Hello everybody, dinner time. And tonight, Happiness cooked our dinner. Yan! Tupa! Lamb chops. What do you call this veggies, honey?
Veggies in white sauce.
Oh, okay. So that's frozen. Ready to...
Just heat up.
Yeah, heat up.
No masterpiece or anything. Just
All you need is a microwave. And sweet potato chips. Yeah. I can see the salt, honey. You put too much salt.
not salt, it's garlic.
Oh. Okay. So crispy. The white sauce, I can feel the flour.
Gritting it, yeah.
The grit of the flour. Pag ako gumagawa ng white sauce, milk at saka ano lang, cream. Yun lang, pinapalapot ko. Ayoko na may harina.
A little bit of cheese.
I don't use flour when I make white sauce.
What do you use?
Cream and milk.
The flour thickens it.
I know. But you can thicken it by reducing it. Or you can use the corn flour.
Yeah, it's supposed to be corn flour.
It's better. It's smoother. Pero masarap naman siya. Mataba talaga ang ano. Ang lamb. It's fatty. Did you put some oil?
A little bit.
Nakita ko siyang piniprito niya to. Sunog na yung ano, kawali.
A light spray.
Ako napiprito nito. Nilalagyan ko talaga ng mantika. Olive oil naman siya.
Yeah, olive oil. Actually, virgin olive oil.
Pero siya, ang ginamit niya, spray lang. Tsaka unti lang. Gusto ko napiprito talaga siya sa oil. Mas masarap. Na makita kong nasusunog na yung kawali, na-stress ako. Na-stress ako. Kaya umupo na lang ako. Ayoko pakialaman yung kanyang proseso ng pagluluto. Ako. Okay pa rin naman. Balik na ulit kami sa aming protein diet.
Rather chewy lamb.
Napakamahal ng steak dyan sa ano? Sa Pilipinas? Or na naman sigurong problema. Kaya lang malaking problema, wala akong pera. Lahat tinitingnan mo. Naalala mo kung magkano nung nandun kami. Gusto na niya talaga mag-steak. Pero tinitingnan muna niya kung magkano. Tinitingnan muna niya kung magkano ang presyo. Yeah, nauwi siya sa ano, puro chicken. Puro chicken ang kanyang kinain. Yan, nung nag-ano kami, nag-buffet kami sa, nung birthday ng aking pamangkin, aking anak-anakan, ay ano, talaga namang pumila talaga siya dun sa ano yun eh, buffet, ano yun? Food club buffet. Pumila talaga siya sa pagkahaba-habang pila para makakuha ng steak, ng karne. It wasn't steak, wasn't it?
No.
It's just a roast.
Yeah, roast beef. Had roast pork, roast beef.
Everything roast.
Yeah. And it wasn't really like we have roast beef. It was more pinkish, sort of like we call that like a pot roast sort of thing.
Ako, hindi na ako nakigulo doon. Ang ginawa ko, kumuha ko ng paisa-isang, ano, hindi ko pinupuno yung plato. Isang dish lang, isang putahe lang ang kinukuha ko. Tapos alis na. Kaya sumisingit lang ako sa pila. Kuha yung gusto ko, alis. Tapos balik ulit ako, iba naman, alis. Ganun ang ginawa ko. Nakaipon ako. Sila, nakapila pa rin. Ang hindi lang maganda sa, ano, sa mga buffet sa Pilipinas, lalo na yung ganyan na medyo mura-mura, ay napakarami ng tao. Iisa ang tinutumbok nila na putahe. Nahaharangan yung ibang putahe. Di ba? Parang ang gulo-gulo tuloy. Ewan ko ba? Sana ano, ayusin nila. Ihiwalay nila ang ano, ang carvery. Ibang karne. Kasi hinihiwa pa nila eh. Tapos iniinit pa daw. Kaya, ihiwalay nila dun sa ibang dishes. Ganun talaga kapag ka, ano, mumurahin kumbaga. Kasi kung pupunta ka naman doon sa mga mamahalin, syempre, lesser ang tao dahil syempre nga mahal. Kaya lang, yun nga. Anyway. It was a good experience. Ang first experience kasi namin ng buffet sa Pilipinas was in Spiral Buffet, yung sa Sofitel.
That was the best we've been to.
Wala na.
Unfortunately, I was sick that day and couldn't enjoy it.
Yeah.
A waste.
And now it's gone.
Yeah.
They've stopped doing it. Kaya dumami. That's why there's a lot of buffets now in the Philippines. After Spiral closed, a lot of buffets opened up, and now it's a big competition.
Some are a lot better than others, though.
Of course.
Just don't have the range.
Pero dati pang meron ng ano yun, bago pa yung Spiral. Puso na yung buffet na yan. Ang una yata dyan yung Dads, yung Barrio Fiesta, Kabalin. Yan, dati na silang nag-o-offer ng ano, natatandaan ko. Dati na silang nag-o-offer ng ano, buffet. So siguro ang unang pinakasosyal ay si Spiral. Nung nasa Okada kami, napuna ko yung kanilang buffet, hindi matao. Kasi nga mahal. 4,000 ang isang tao. Mahigit. Minsan kasi iisipin mo, di ba? Ano ba pinagkaiba ng pagkain na ino-offer ng mahal asa doon sa mura? Di ba? Ganun din naman. Filipino food din naman. May sushi rin naman. Siguro mas masarap yung mahal. Pero
Tissue, please.
tingin ko ganun din yun.
Thank you.
Siguro hindi masama to experience yung mga mahal once in your lifetime, di ba? Dito mahal talaga sa Australia. Mahal ng buffet. Tapos kakaunti pa yung food selections. This is nice. Sweet. Carrot. Baby carrot.
Young. Young carrots. I was watching a thing today. They said you should eat the broccoli first, then the carrots.
Really? Why?
Or then your meat, then the carrots, because the carrots spike your sugar higher.
Yeah,
I don't know
carrots
why.
has carbohydrates.
Yeah. But if you eat the broccoli first, then your meat, and then the carrots, you don't get spiked. Or it's a lot slower index. Apparently. YouTube says so. And you can believe YouTube.
That's right.
They wouldn't lie to you. These ones,
Maliit
lamb
din.
chops. Yeah, but they had no lamb. Everyone's buying lamb now all of a sudden because the beef's dear. They had heaps of cutlets. I nearly brought the cutlets actually, but the cutlets were too dear.
And tiny.
Yeah, but you have 3 or 4 of them. And also too, 4 cutlets was $32. 4 of them was 16. Big difference. And it come off the same lamb.
That's it.
Hard work, my darling.
Ay, nako. Anyway, so, that's our dinner. I mean, I will have to finish my dinner.
Mine's gone.
He is done. So, see you next time, guys. Bye, God bless.